$70 down the drain already. Collector slash payer, boys. This could be absolutely massive. That's a nice win. How's it going, boys, girls, and everything in between? Right, I've been chasing a big win on this slot. My mate hit a 16,000x. Money train 4. Are we going to squirt for me today? If it's persistent payers, a lot of the time, I'd just be skipping it because they are tragic. So if it's persistent payer, I'm skipping that. Unless it's a double one. I can't lie. Persistent payer. It's mid. I don't like to watch it. Look at that. $70 down the drain already. Classic. Look at all the payers, man. Why is it all payers? Why is it all just payers? And it only just paid back. You see what I'm saying? Persistent collector is also probably pretty dead. Let's see. Oh, it's not persistent. So to pay back, we need at least a 500x. So 500x to at least pay back. I stream every day but Sunday. I give out tips every 15 minutes. Literally free money. Link in the description, boys. Double persistent collector, that's not bad. Sniper, ooh, I'm going to let this one run through because I actually want to see what it does. We're going to let it run through, boys. This could be decent. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Oh, it's died. I mean, still not bad. Pays more than I paid by a mile. Literally anything other than the persistent payers and persistent collectors is good. Sniper again. Alright. See, this can go really crazy. It just needs to keep hitting. As long as it keeps hitting, we're looking good. Come on, don't die. That's good. Don't die. Don't die. Oh my. I mean, it's not bad. That's not bad. That's decent. That is very decent. I'm telling you, sniper's good. As long as it keeps hitting with a sniper, it's insane. Right, sniper, good. Come on. Sniper. Cook. Cook. Good start. We need hits. We need hits. And it's dead. Still pays though, man. Sniper again. Good. Right, come on. Go crazy. Go crazy. Let's get a hit, please. Let's get a hit, please. Let's get a hit, please. Oh my god, that would have been insane. How have we not got a hit? Pays again, man. Sniper again. Good. Right, sniper, come on. Come on. Good. Saving them spins a bit. Save it. Ah, it's dead. It's dead. Here we go. Right, this could be massive. This could be insane. Please don't die. Please don't die. Right, we got payer. Payer again, that's bad. We got a hit, good. Payer again, that is. Why are we just getting payer? Why are we just getting payer? Right, collector. There we go. Now give us payer. I'm happy with payer now. Collector and a payer there. Alright, we're looking alright. We're looking alright. Sniper. Collector, okay. Put a payer in now. Don't die. It's died, but we've got sniper. This could be massive. Oh no, I forgot it doesn't time how I thought. That's still big, boys. 1,500x. That's still big. Right, here, this could be massive. Collector slash payer, boys. This could be absolutely massive. Right, here we go. Please, just keep hitting. You need to keep hitting. You need to keep hitting. Don't be dead, man. One more hit, please. No way. I mean, that's still not bad. I mean, that's still a 3,000x. That's a nice win. Oh, thank you. How long does it take?